Tarkam wrote more fantastic books. So you should also read this book. This is the most important book. Kanparatunda Olympus Report, the year 3000 is a fantastic book. So ఎవరైతే టైంలో ఫ్రీజ్ అయిపోయింటారో టైంని కాంట్రాక్టెడ్గా ఉంటారో is the most important book which will expand your consciousness. Uh, what will the state of humanity and planet Earth will be like in the year 3000 AD? Will it be a future of pain, suffering, and annihilation, or will the future glory of life reign supreme? In this deeply contemplated yet simply communicated work, Tarkam Seradarian lets the future stand revealed in all its beauty, glory, and abundance. Olympus World Report, the year 3000, offers the reader a front row center seat as the great ones ceremoniously report to the Ancient of Days about their key achievements in the field of human endeavor and receive from him instructions for labor for the next millennium. Depending on our level of enlightenment, we can read this work as legend, as an antidote to the visions of the doomsday prophets and agents of chaos, or as a blueprint for labor and striving on the path of infinity. ఇది అన్నమాట ఈ బుక్. సో ఈ బుక్ తీసినప్పుడల్లా ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటుందంటే మైండ్లో ఏమున్నా ఇట్ జస్ట్ గెట్స్ ఎవాపరేటెడ్ బికాస్ సో everyone should read this book. Such a fantastic book written by Tarkam, and he gave some forecasts. The first forecast is for the year 2025. Due to an increasing desire for international understanding, cooperation, and unity, all military installations will start collapsing by that year. In the next 5 to 6 years, we will witness how average humanity will become more unified and understanding, exerting pressure upon world leadership to bring humanity into synthesis. That is the first forecast given by in this book. The second forecast for the year 2025 is that politicians all over the world will deeply sense their responsibility for humanity and nature, and in special schools they will study the science of mission, the science of responsibility, and science of willpower. After 2025, we will have more enlightened leaders and politicians who will live for their mission with self-forgetfulness, a sense of responsibility, and will be armed with the spirit of good for all. The third forecast for the coming age is that in the years 2030 to 2040, education will be totally dedicated to expanding the consciousness of humanity so that it becomes sensitive to all forms of life as a whole. Communication will be developed between man and animals, and between man and trees, oceans, rivers, mountains, and stars. Mankind will become sensitive to all life. That is the second forecast. Third forecast. Now the fourth forecast for the future is that between the years 2025 and 2050, communication lines will be established between us, those who have passed away, and the higher worlds. The fifth forecast concerns the field of art between the years 2045 and 2055. Art will reveal the beauty of the cosmos in its motion, color, sound, and rays. Sixth forecast is that by the year 2050, science will have constructed globes, small earths in the solar system on which people can live just as we currently living on our planet. Seventh forecast concerns the field of religion. Religion will be dedicated to the emancipation of the soul from its vehicles, allowing it to exercise the power of omnipresence. Eighth forecast for the future is that white magic will be developed to such a degree that animals and other life forms will be prepared to be initiated into the fourth kingdom. Ninth forecast is that by the year 2075, all diseases will disappear. The 10th forecast is that, or about the year 2080, fear, hatred, anger, jealousy, revenge, and greed will no longer exist. The 11th forecast is that in the year 2085, the solar angel will be videotaped so that a person can see his angel. The 12th forecast is that the human soul or spirit will be photographed in the heart center of each man. This will happen around the year 2145 AD. Starting with the year 2200, the majority of the people under the guidance of great ones will learn to leave their physical bodies consciously. In 2250, they will learn to leave their astral bodies. In 2300, they will leave their mental bodies. In 2004, a great amount of people will become arhants and their consciousness will be focused in the intuitional plane. Starting in 2500, some major groups will live as triads. They will actualize their true self in light, in love, and in beauty or sacrifice. From 2600 to 2700, they will start building their intuitional and atmic bodies and communicate with the corresponding planes of the solar system. From 2007 to 3000, the hierarchical plan will be totally fulfilled and the spiritual king will achieve his purpose. So this what is the contents of Olympus World Report year 3000. Anytime you feel like down or more contracted, just open this book and read. A immediate expansion of consciousness will happen if all people study this book. This book is an antidote for all doomsday predictions. I believe in this book. I have complete faith in this book. So whenever I feel, I open this book and read a paragraph or page. Again, I am ready to work. So this is the book every human being should go through this book. Olympus World Report, the year 3000 AD. అప్పటి వరకు మనం మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తూనే ఉండాలి. అప్పటి వరకు ఈ పుస్తకాలు చదివిస్తూనే ఉండాలి, మనం చదువుతూనే ఉండాలి. అండ్ బేసికలీ మనం అందరికి చెప్పేది మనం కూడా పాటించాలి. సో ఓన్లీ దట్ విల్ లిబరేట్ ఆల్ పీపుల్. అండ్ ద ప్లాన్ ఈస్ హియర్, already written, documented in this book. So I hope all people will read this book, Olympus World Report, the year 3000. And you will see major shifts. Now people will be stop writing for the past. People will now, so many books, so many things are happening that people are only speaking about the future. Future is your being level. So start reading all future related books, being related books, and read books which give you a bigger vision, that vision which is a part of reality. Only that will keep you in the right spiritual direction. And all Swajaya books, especially Torkam Saradarian books, they take you into the future. That is why Swajaya Yoga is so important.